If I had a boat, I would sail out, take every brother and sister of mine. We'd roll in the sunshine and sleep when it's dark, hoping to find somewhere we can come.
Hello everybody. So I am out and about. I just went to Costco because if you are like me and love the outer aisle sandwich thins, they have a double pack on sale for $6 and change. I got two because I don't know, I'm going through a period where I just absolutely love them again. I've been doing a Trader Joe's turkey burger, lettuce, tomato, and Laughing Cow on them. I don't know if tonight, I'm thinking of maybe for my lean and green, making some kind of breakfast sandwich. I don't know, like an egg, veggie, like a frittata. So I'm home from Costco, and I want to show you what I was talking about in regards to the outer aisle sandwich rounds. Sandwich thins, whatever. Look at this box. I got two. This has, just so you know, 14 of them inside here for $6 and change. One pack normally in the grocery store, which I believe has 4 in them, is even more than this. So this was a score. These can be frozen. Another thing, I think I mentioned it on Instagram or in the group, somebody was asking about rotisserie chicken. When I go to Costco, this is what I buy. The only ingredient in here is rotisserie chicken. It's hand-pulled rotisserie chicken. And I spoke to the deli guy, or the guy that does the rotisserie chickens. This is pulled and packed in Costco. So they make the rotisserie chicken. They pull off white meat only, and they package it. Guys, this is a steal. This is 2 pounds, 14 ounces, okay? 2 pounds, 14 ounces of rotisserie chicken for $12.99. It's convenient. You can freeze it. I mean, sometimes you don't want to cook a whole chicken, and I truthfully don't have the time or patience to do it. So I don't buy this every time. I like to buy the canned chicken. It's just, for me, it's so convenient. But Jess eats this. He buys these. He's been buying these a good year or more. We always have them in the refrigerator. They're great. So if you have a Costco and you're not a big fan of cooking chicken, but you love rotisserie, perfect thing to get. So in this casserole dish, I have 1 can of tuna, 1 tablespoon of mayo is a healthy fat, 2 pepper jack Laughing Cow cheeses for 2 condiments, and a box of hearts of palm. So made tuna like you normally do, add it to the little noodles on top, mix in the cheese, and then I cooked it in the microwave. And this is me mixing it after it was in the microwave so that all of this creamy goodness melds together. It's a tuna casserole with a pepper jack flair, and I call it Texas casserole. All right, guys, it's time for the unboxing. Let me start out by saying I did inherit some boxes of Fuelings from some of you out there, and I thank you for that. And that was to tide me over. I did place like a half of an order this time. That's what this box is. Trying to save some money, and also because I did inherit some things. So I didn't need a full order. And I also have in my kitchen a couple of Fuelings still in a basket. So I inherited 2. These are the 2 things that I inherited: chocolate pudding, tomato herb pasta. Let me talk about this for a second. When I originally was on program a couple of years ago, this was one of my favorite savory Fuelings. It's just, I feel like it's underrated. Tomato herb pasta, if you were a child of the 70s and 80s like I was, then you would know what beefaroni is. And maybe you don't. This reminds me of it every time I eat it. It's pasta, beef, I guess it's soy protein, and a tomato sauce. It's just really good, and I don't really see too many people eating it out there in Optavia world. But you know, there's also not too many of us on YouTube. So this is a really good one. It's just perfect for this time of year. And if you like to add to your Fuelings, the perfect thing to add to this is a Laughing Cow wedge. It makes it creamy and sort of like the consistency of vodka sauce. And chocolate pudding. You know this is my favorite. Right now in my fridge I have a Tupperware container with the lid on it, with one ready to go for my last Fueling of the night. And so those are the two that I wanted to show you that I've inherited. On to my order. And this is so funny because I'm normally not a cereal lover. I have historically eaten these cereals just out of the bag. Recently, I've gotten into using the unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and I don't even use a quarter of a cup. I just like splash it on the top and put it in a bowl like you're supposed to eat cereal instead of just bringing the package and eating it out of the package. I love it, and I love it so much. Then I got the red berry one. This one tastes like Frankenberry cereal. Jess is walking by looking at me. Frankenberry cereal. I love it so much. He's so obnoxious, but I love him. So in my box that I bought is a box of brownies. Cannot have an order without it, and I will never have an order without my brownies. I love them, and they make really good shakes as well. So if you're a shake person like I am, and you're running low and you have a box of brownies, make one into a shake. Creamy chocolate shake, that's another one of my favorites. Creamy chocolate shake is the one that I love to add PB2 to it. So 2 tablespoons of PB2 is an optional snack. So what I like to do is split that up or not use the whole thing. So when I make one of these shakes, I always, well, not always, but I like to add, if I can, if I have it, 1 tablespoon of PB2 and some water and ice, and it just makes such a great, like the last Fueling to have a big thick shake is so filling because it's, again, like I talk about all the time, it's voluminous. It will fill your stomach up and you won't be hungry for the rest of the night. I did get a couple questions this week about hunger at night. How do you conquer that? Having a lean green you can even have it at your last meal. If you're a nighttime snacker, right? If you can go all day and eat your Fuelings and save the lean green to the last thing, most of the time you won't be hungry to snack later on. Or have it at your 5th feeding time and end it with a giant shake. I'm telling you, it kills the bug to munch at night. At least for me, that's what I'm finding works best. Know how much I love my hot chocolate. I order several boxes of these so I can have at least one a day. I mix it in my morning coffee. This thing sets me off. I love it. And even when I was on Weight Watchers, I would occasionally have one of these for breakfast. Well, not for breakfast, but in my morning coffee. I love it. I just absolutely love the hot chocolate, and a lot of people have never tried it. It's really strange to me. Another creamy chocolate shake. Another hot chocolate. Here's another shake that I love, Mocha Blast. You don't need anything in this. Water, ice in the shake to me, or sometimes I do cold brew. I put cold brew, this in it. Keep in mind now, for those that don't know, this contains caffeine, okay? So when you are having a Mocha Blast shake, or the cappuccino, I believe, has it in there, some of these actually have caffeine in them, so you have to be very careful. So the Mocha Blast does not specifically say that it contains caffeine. However, if you look at the ingredients, it does say that it contains coffee. So, and it doesn't say decaffeinated. So interesting, because I'm pretty sure that this box used to say contains caffeine. This one does not. That's very interesting. But it does say that it has coffee inside. So again, just be aware of what your Fuelings are containing. And if you're finding that you're having these Mocha Blast shakes at night, it could be one of the reasons why You're not sleeping. All right, so for this shake, girl, I also got this one. This is the strawberry shake. This is my favorite mixed with the vanilla unsweetened almond milk and ice. It reminds me of back in the day, getting like a burger and a shake. Strawberry shakes were always my favorite. I loved them as a kid. And we have, what do we have? Oh my God, I can't reach. Hold on, you guys. Another hot chocolate. I mean, seriously, I have enough hot chocolate to last me. And what I want to discuss too, so here's my empty box. Those are all the fuelings I got. So I am hooked up, and guys, I am doing so good. Like, I am 11 days, and today would be 12, but I don't put the stickers on until the morning. What has changed? I feel like it's that calendar. It's the calendar with the stars. I feel like a little kid. I cannot wait to put that star on in the morning. I come down, I put water in my Keurig, and I put the star on there. And that calendar is literally sitting right behind my coffee maker, right on our coffee station. And I really don't know what I would do if I didn't see a star on a day. Like if I didn't stick to the plan and I wasn't able to put the star on in the morning, that would really bother me. Because of that, I feel like it's just allowing me to continue. It's such a little thing, but it means so much. Go get yourself a calendar. Do it. It's dollars for the calendar. It's cheap. And that whole packet of stickers that I have enough for over like 2 years worth is, I think it was like $3 for the whole pack. Even if you don't have the foil stickers and you want to put like your own with a pen, a flower, a heart, I don't care. Make something visible to you that you are excited about. Like, I can't wait to take the calendar and show you the whole month and go like this with it and see the foil sticker shining. Like, it is such a visual of an accomplishment that I've been struggling for like 2 years. I think when I transition off, because that's when I really want to hit the gym, because for the wedding, I don't want to wear anything with sleeves and I want to have toned shoulders and just feel really good, just like I did my original time. I lost the weight, I hit the gym hard, I hired a trainer, I was doing really good. And that's where I want to be for when Kevin gets married. I'm going to do this by my birthday. I have literally 6 months to do this, and I should have no trouble doing it in that time frame. If I don't meet that expectation, I will be disappointed because my intentions have been set. I am really doing well. And again, that calendar, that little calendar. I'm going to go have my chocolate pudding. I think I have one more fueling after that, and it will likely be a shake. Tomorrow is Saturday, so I'll be vlogging. Maybe we'll have Jess in the video. And that'll be about it, okay? So remember, guys, we can do this, and we are. Why? Because we're doing it together. You and me and you. 2024 is our year. We're going to do it this time. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a good night. Love you.